Dear students, let us solve question number 9 of exercise 7.2. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining point A with coordinate -2 and coordinate of B is 2 and 8 into 4 equal parts. Suppose this is a line segment, that is A with the coordinate -2 and 2, and this is the point B with coordinate 2 and 8. We have to divide this line segment into 4 equal points. For that purpose, we have to mark 3 points. Suppose this is the first point, this one is second. Then it is divided into 3 parts. For 4 parts, we need, this is first point, this one is second, and this one is third. Suppose this is point P, and this is point Q, and this is point R. These are equal. This distance are equal. That means it is divided into 4 equal parts. So, start with this rough diagram. Let points P, Q and R divides line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So, when AP, PQ, QR and RB are equal parts, then at the point P, the point P divides AB in the ratio 1:1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, 1:3. So, P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:3. Q divides the line segment AB in 2:2. 2:2 means it is a midpoint, and R divides the line segment AB in 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3:1. So, by these ratios we can find out the coordinates of P, Q and R. Now, the first one, that is to find coordinates of point P. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. So, by section formula, coordinates of P, it may be taken as xy, equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 m1 plus m2. Now, substitute m1 by 1, m2 by 3, x2 by 2 and x1 by -2, y2 by 8 and y1 by 2. So, 1 into 2 plus 3 into -2 by 1 plus 3 comma m1 it is 1 into, then it is 8 plus m2 is 3 into 2 by 1 plus 3. So 2 minus 6 by 4, and this is 8 plus 6 by 4, which is equal to minus 4 by 4 comma this is 14 by 4. So 2 za 7 za 1 za 1 za, which is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. This is the coordinate of point P. Similarly, we can find the coordinates of point R also. Now to find coordinates of point Q, Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2, that is Q is midpoint of AB. Therefore, coordinates of Q is equal to, by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So minus 2 plus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 8 by 2, which is 0 by 2, 10 by 2, 0 comma 5 is the coordinates of point Q. Now we have to find the coordinates of point R. Now point R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So coordinates of R is equal to, by using this same formula, but m1 is taken as 3 here and m2 should be taken as 1. So m1 3 into x2 is 2 plus 1 into x1 is minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Now m1 is 3 into y2 is 8 plus 1 into m2 should be taken as 8 into 2 by 3 plus 1. So 3 2s are 6 minus 2 by 4 comma 24 plus 2 by 4. So it is 4 by 4 comma, so 24 into 24 plus 2 is 26 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 1s are 2s are 13s are. So it is 1 comma 13 by 2 is the coordinates of point R. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ point P AB ಅನ್ನು 1:1 plus 1 plus 1 3 1:3ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m1 ಅನ್ನು 1, m2 ಅನ್ನು 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Q ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 2:2 ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ Qದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಆರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 1 + 1 + 2 1 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m1 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, m2 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.